Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the EA Games Launcher on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the EA Games Launcher on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Electronic Arts, since that's where we can download their game launcher, so just go and search this. And after searching, you will now be directed to the official website of Electronic Arts. So to download their EA Games Launcher on this website, just click this Games tab right here at the top. And then select the PC option. And after that, you will now be able to see the download button for their game launcher, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, your EA Games Launcher will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click this button. And after clicking it, your EA games will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, your EA Games Launcher will automatically open, so just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And after logging into your account, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your EA Games Launcher, so you can now use it to download and play your favorite games such as FC24, Madden, The Sims 4, and more. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.